Hi, let's install QuPath. For that, just use your favorite web browser, download QuPath, get this landing page, and you can just click here or use the arrow to select other installation options. Okay, let's open this up. You will get this window. It's fine, it's not actually a risk for your computer, so just click more info and run anyway. Select your path and install. And now you'll have two icons here, the normal icon and the console icon. You can double click and you get this window as well where you can choose the theme, either light or dark, and choose whether to check for extensions. Also some useful links for the docs to join other users and discuss problems you may have, and how to cite the QuPath paper. So let's get it started.